Why does my friend here, Mr. Wasp, have no wings? He has no wings whatsoever. He does not. I don't know what's going on with my friend here. Don't do it. I don't do. He's trying to fly, but he can't fly. He has no wing. I guess he was born without them. I don't know. This is crazy. Look at my buddy here. He has some little tiny wings. If he wants to fly, he tried. Where'd he go? Oh shit. My man is in a spider web. Oh, I ain't gonna let you stay in there. Yeah, buddy. I want you to look, though. I have never seen a wasp with no wings or stubby wings. Oh well, just.